South Korea's biggest company, Samsung Electronics, has beaten market expectations with a record high sales number in the first quarter. That's attributed to its new smartphones as well as its chip business. There's some uncertainty about future earnings, though, which depend on what happens in the chip cycle. Eum Ji-young has the details.
Despite the global supply bottleneck and recent geopolitical risks, Samsung Electronics has logged its highest ever sales for the first quarter. The South Korean tech giant's earnings guidance released on Thursday showed sales from January to March amounted to a record $63 billion, up nearly 18% on-year. Samsung also announced a 50% on-year jump in operating profit at roughly $11 billion. And this is the second largest figure among all first quarters for the firm. The figures for the first quarter beat market expectations. Analysts say the earnings surprise was led by Samsung's new phone, the Galaxy S22 series.
Despite the controversy over the game-optimizing service installed on the device, the Galaxy S22 series has sold well in the first quarter. The strong earnings compared to the same period a year before were led by smartphones and semiconductors.
The Galaxy S22 series in February attracted twice as many as pre-orders as the previous series. Also, despite the drop in the price of DRAM chips, the expert said Samsung's semiconductor business has posted relatively solid earnings. The expert added that earnings in the latter half of this year are expected to rise.
One of the most important factors that would impact earnings would be whether semiconductor prices recover. In the second quarter, DRAM prices are expected to be weak, so the earnings would turn out similar as this quarter, but as DRAM prices are forecast to rise after the third quarter, we can expect the earnings to go up in the second half of the year.
Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.